The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is one of Samsung's most awaited foldable phones. Fans are excited to see what new features it will bring, but there are also concerns about what might be missing this time. Let's take a closer look at what we can expect. A big topic of discussion about the Z Fold 7 is its camera. Many fans were hoping it would include the impressive 200MP camera that Samsung introduced with the Galaxy Z Fold Southeast. However, recent reports suggest this won't happen, leaving some people disappointed. To understand why this matters, let's compare. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. It also supports up to 30x digital zoom. While this setup is good, it's not as advanced as the 200MP camera seen in Samsung's other top devices like the S23 Ultra and the Z Fold Southeast. The 200MP camera is known for capturing incredible detail and clarity, making it highly sought after. The Galaxy Z Fold Southeast does include the 200MP camera, but it's only available in select markets like South Korea and China. Fans in other regions are left hoping the Z Fold 7 will bring this feature to a wider audience. Unfortunately, it looks like Samsung might not include it this time, which would be disappointing for those expecting a big upgrade. Another area of concern is battery life. Foldable phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 have more complex designs which can lead to shorter battery life compared to regular smartphones. If the Z Fold 7 doesn't make improvements here, it might face the same criticism as previous models. There is a possibility that Samsung could release a wider version of the Z Fold Southeast with the 200MP camera next year. This would be great news for fans who want better camera performance but can't get the Z Fold Southeast due to its limited availability. If Samsung decides to do this, it could make a big impact on the foldable market. Besides the camera, there are rumors of new foldable designs. One exciting possibility is a triple-screen device with 2 hinges, offering a new way to use a smartphone. This design could make multitasking even better and change how foldables work. Looking ahead at Samsung's 2025 lineup is expected to bring even more foldable phones, like the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and a Fan Edition version. These models might have better designs, improved features, and lower prices, making foldable phones more affordable for everyone. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 could still surprise us with new features, even if the 200MP camera isn't included. Fans are also excited about the possibility of innovative designs like a triple-screen device. Whether you're interested in better cameras, longer battery life, or entirely new designs, Samsung seems determined to keep pushing foldable technology forward. What are you most excited about for the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Would you prefer camera upgrades or new designs? Let's hear your thoughts.